What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another Oregon reel fishing video. I am going to Cheadle Lake again today, but today I'm going to be fishing some new baits. I've got this pretty much an ultralight frog right here. Really interesting looking bait. But I'm going to give it a try, just add a little variety instead of just throwing Texas rig Senkos all the time. We're leaving right around like 3:30-ish in the afternoon. We're gonna get there just in time for the evening bite to be picking up, and we're gonna fish it from probably 4:30 to dark. So stay tuned. We're gonna catch some massive bass and hopefully get some topwater blowups as well. So I'll see you guys out there. Well, here we are, Cheadle Lake. Last time I was here was the tournament, and I didn't really get to fish it. I think that tournament video was the only video on my channel where I'm not fishing, or one of the few. It was fun and painful at the same time, if that makes any sense. That's a hit. That's a fish. Fish on. Tiny one. Yeah, he's off. I was just dragging him. That was so small. Dude, this frog is so juicy. I'm loving it. Oh no. Dude, what? Okay, that wasn't big, but still, I hope you guys saw that bite. That was insane. I'm like all the way out of the water for it, dude. I missed him. I freaked out and I set the hook like instantly. I should have waited. Honestly, love fishing Texas rigs on this Mach 2 spinning combo, medium heavy. Cast great. Can't remember if I have 10 or 12 pound on here. Yeah, this is 10. 10 pound monofilament. Cast a Senko a mile. We're on. Small fish. Oh, that hook set though. Dying, dude, that's tiny. There he is, first fish of the day, he's a dink. And he's gone. Bro, the way he tugged that thing, you never would have known that he was micro. Ooh! Right as it hit the water. Dang, son. Missed the hook set because I wasn't even ready for it. Bro. Oh, I'm on. No. Dude, that was a nice one. Bit it while I was reeling in on top of the water. It felt good. I mean, I think it was over a pound for sure. Maybe a 2 pounder. No, come back. I can't miss another fish, bro. He's gone. I missed another fish. Bro, how? That one was good too. Good hits too, man. A couple of those felt good. A few of them were just tiny taps, but that last one, man, he just tugged it. Heavy tug. Oh, did you see that? No, how do you freaking get off, bro? How? Dude, no way. The amount of fish I've missed. I just missed another one. There's a fish. It's no mondo. Second fish of the day. This is depressing. Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go. There we go. Just sight fish this one. Sad when this is the biggest of the day, but I'll take it. Man, I've done better on the bank than I have on the kayak today. Oh. Oh my gosh. Bro, giant. Giant. 5-pounder. Easy 5. Where did he go? Oh my gosh, bro. Oh no, he's taking it. Did he take it? He went for it. He didn't bite it. No way I'm gonna sight fish a 5-pounder. No, he broke me off. He broke me off. No, dude, no. I just sight fished a 5-pounder and he broke me off. Dude, that was wild. Gotta catch him, dude. I know I could catch him. He bit it on like the 3rd cast. He was looking at it every cast, but he bit it on the 3rd one. I have never set the hook that hard. It wasn't that hole. It wasn't there. It might have been here. Oh, oh. He almost bit it. He almost bit it again. He came for it. I got him, I got him. He's huge, he's huge, he's huge. Bro, come up, come up. I got him. It's huge. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Bro, get up, get up. Let's go. Woo! Look at that beast. Look at that thing. Let's go, dude. Woo! He's not 5, that's an easy 4. That is an easy 4. Sight fished him. Sight fished that thing. Let's go. Let's go. Dude, that is so amazing. 4-pound largemouth right there. Sight fished. First time probably one of the first times I've even sight fished anything. I'm gonna get this girl right back down there. I'm not gonna weigh it. I'm not gonna take any pictures. Just gonna get it right back down on its bed. I cannot believe I caught that thing. She was ready. She was so ready. There she goes. Such a healthy fish. Nothing wrong with that fish at all. Let's go. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next one. Now, a lot of you probably already know what this announcement is going to be, but I figured I'd hype it up a little bit anyways. I am going to be hosting another tournament. I'm not going to give away too many details of it right now. I just wanted to kind of get the word out, hype it up a little bit. You know, I am going to give the date because I want to make sure people can make it. Mark it on your calendars right now. If you have anything else going on, cancel it. This is more important. July 3rd, Saturday, July 3rd is the day of the tournament. I'm going to be announcing the location of it at the end of the next video, so stay tuned for that. That video should be dropping this Friday, so definitely feel free to come out. July 3rd, location will be announced in the next video. Stay tuned, and as always, thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next one.